Originally knew I do. I think about you day and night.
Calculate the area between f of x is equal to x squared, square root of 1 minus x squared, the x-axis and the vertical lines x is equal to minus 0.5 and x is equal to 0.5.
In order to solve the integral, we are going to use trigonometric substitution. We are going to use the triangle for integrals involving square root of a to the square minus u to the square. So, our function will be sine of the angle is equal to x. The cosine of the angle is equal to the square root of 1 minus x to the square. The angle is equal to arc sine of x, and the dx is equal to cosine of the angle times the angle. The integral of sine to the square of the angle square root of 1 minus sine to the square of the angle times cosine of the angle times d of the angle is the function with the substituted values. 1 minus sine to the square of the angle is equal to cosine of a square of the angle, which is eliminated with the square root. So, the result will be the integral of sine to the square of the angle times cosine to the square of the angle, the angle. This has a trigonometric identity, which is equal to the integral of 1 minus cosine of the angle over 2 times 1 plus cosine of the angle over 2 times the angle. The result of that is 1/4 of the integral of 1 minus cosine of 2 angle times 1 plus cosine 2 angle times the angle. 1/4 of the integral of 1 minus cosine to the square of 2 angle times the angle. It is equal to 1/4 of the integral of sine to the square of 2 the angle times the angle. Then is 1/4 of the integral of 1 minus cosine of 4 angle over 2 times the angle. That is equal to 1/8 of the integral of 1 minus cosine of 4 angle times the angle. 1/8 of the integral of sine of 4 angle over 4 is equal to 1/8 of the angle minus sine of 4 angle over 32. That is the result of our integral.
To know the area of this integral, we will use the value of theta, that is equal to arc sine of x, and we will substitute the term of theta in our integral. So our integral, we will get to 1/8 multiplying arc sine of x minus 1/4 sine times 4 arc sine of x. Then we will use the first fundamental theorem of calculus that says that the function of the interval that we had just discovered will use the value of b, and then we'll subtract the same function but with the value of a. So we will use the value of b for 0.5 and the value of a for 0. And the result we get from this equation, we just multiply it by 2 because our function is symmetric. So our area is equal to 0.076773106.